हाय गाइस बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। क्या हाल चाल है सबका? ठीक है। Today I show you the Redmi tablet. This one Redmi Pad 2 Pro. That one is 5G. Now I show you the spec. You can see. And I zoom here. See, Redmi Pad 2 Pro 5G. Okay, this is the spec. Give me any later I pass you. Ahima. Redmi Pad 2 Pro 5G. Okay, it's brand new. This is the pen, brand new also. So today we unbox this one. This one I will send to Mauritius. My one friend, his name Majid, he want to buy this one. So I will unbox and activate, because when I send to Mauritius they will not lock. If I will activate here, and after they will not lock, if I will not activate, I will send like this, open without opening. But after, when they receive in Mauritius, when they open, they will be locked. Means locked means cannot use for SIM card or like this, because they have something country region lock issue. So I will put my SIM card, and I will activate. Now I show you the spec. Okay. Redmi Pad 2 Pro 5G, keyboard graphite grey, RAM is 8 GB and storage is 256 GB. See, on है. This is the keyboard, we open later. Now first we show you the iPad, the pad. This is the pad. Mashallah, see, it's nice color. Now I will turn on. Here our Anne is smiling. I show you our Anne also. Yesterday he off. Yesterday he tired. He say he feeling not very well. Today I'm not feeling very well. But I'm coming for my friend, because he want this one. See. Now I will activate. Anne pass me. I will activate. ना कर मेरे फॉर्मेट मारे हाँ चल it's already done. See, this is our Anne. Anne like famous.
Hi. How are you? Yes. How are you, Miss?
कुछ मैं सूप मंगाया.
Ready? Second.
Okay, continue. Now we will activate for putting internet.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We put our internet.
Sorry, sir. क्या चाहिए? Sorry, it's 15. 16. 16, 28 GB. Not yet active yet. Not order anything, is it? iPhone? 15 or 16. Only 15 or 06. Berapa GB? How many GB? 2.6. Not second? Only 15, right? 15 and 16.
This is the pen. Okay, we update the YouTube after we start any video. Okay, now this is the keyboard. So you want to do?
No, 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 no.
Don't be scared. Like cover and the keyboard. See. हाँ पता नहीं किधर चलो देख लेंगे नो प्रॉब्लम से अल्लाह खैर करे ना ही आए तो अच्छी बात सारे कस्टमर किया See? I show you RAM also. RAM, where is the RAM? Detail and spec info. 8 plus 4 GB. Snapdragon S7S Gen 4 mobile platform. Octa-core Max 2.70. ओके अभी हम इसके ऊपर YouTube पे कोई वीडियो प्ले कर देंगे जिससे ना ये एक्टिवेट हो जाएगी। हाँ, कीबोर्ड हमने कनेक्ट नहीं किया। Now we turn on the keyboard. This is the button for keyboard. This is the button. I already turned on keyboard. Now we will connect the keyboard. केड़ा फोन है? रसीद है भाई को? 3 अली है, 3 2 भी उनका 3 अली है पीछे वाला। अच्छा अच्छा, वो हाफिज। Anik, give me the charging cable.
Type-C, yeah.
Yeah, this one Type-C. Put here. I think here.
Keyboard.
Yeah, keyboard. You can put. Okay.
Yes, miss. Repair in 4 seconds. Yes, can I help you?
The light is blinking. Connect. See, actually the battery is low for keyboard. We already put in charging. Done. Okay. See, it's working now.
Your bomb repair in 4 seconds. हाँ चले को मॉडल रिपेयर in 4 seconds रिपेयर ये करने में
This one can call also. See. Can call also. अगर आपने एक्टिवेशन करनी हो कॉल से भी एक्टिवेशन कर सकते हैं, या यूट्यूब पे कोई वीडियो प्ले कर दे तो उससे भी वो इंटरनेट चलता रहेगा 10 से 15 मिनट 20 मिनट, तो ऑलरेडी एक्टिवेशन हो जाएगी। तो इससे ये है कि वो लॉक नहीं लगेगा।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम कुल हुवल्लाहु अहद अल्लाह।
Pen I didn't open.
We're giving you gold status. Use promo code GOLD60 and get exclusive rewards for 60 days.
Also. So that's why I didn't open.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
Now I show you the charger and the cable. This is the charger, 33 watt. Okay, this is the cable. There is nothing. Free. Totally free. Okay, guys. So, it's done. Anne, bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye. See you next video.
See you next video.
Yeah.
With
Datang
a
lagi.
new environment.
What?
With a new environment,
Okay.
more things will come soon.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
See you.
See you.